Welcome to Rio de Janeiro, Brazil's vibrant and iconic city. Known for its stunning landscapes, lively culture, and infectious energy, Rio is a destination like no other. Let's uncover the magic of this incredible city. First stop, the iconic Christ the Redeemer statue. Standing atop Corcovado Mountain, this wonder of the world offers breathtaking panoramic views of Rio. Whether you're religious or not, the sight of this majestic statue is awe-inspiring. Next, take a cable car ride up Sugarloaf Mountain. As you ascend, you'll be treated to stunning views of Guanabara Bay, the city skyline, and the Atlantic Ocean. It's the perfect spot for a sunset selfie. No trip to Rio is complete without a visit to its world-famous beaches. Stroll along the golden sands of Copacabana or Ipanema, where locals and tourists alike soak up the sun, play volleyball, and sip on fresh coconut water. Rio is the birthplace of samba, and the rhythm is everywhere. Join the locals at a samba club or during carnival when the city comes alive with music, dance, and colorful parades. Don't be shy, let loose and feel the beat. Foodies rejoice! Rio's culinary scene is a feast for the senses. Try feijoada, a hearty black bean stew, or savor fresh seafood by the beach. And don't forget to sip on Brazil's national cocktail, the caipirinha. It's a must. Nature lovers, head to Tijuca Forest, one of the largest urban rainforests in the world. Hike through lush trails, spot exotic wildlife, and cool off in hidden waterfalls. It's a refreshing escape from the city buzz. Art and culture thrive in Rio. Visit the colorful Celeron Steps, a mosaic masterpiece, and explore the bohemian Santa Teresa neighborhood, known for its charming streets, art galleries, and vibrant nightlife. Soccer fans, this one's for you. Visit the legendary Maracana Stadium, where some of the world's greatest matches have been played. Feel the passion of Brazil's soccer culture. It's truly electric. End your day at Arpoeta Rock, where locals gather to watch the sunset over the ocean. It's a magical moment that captures the essence of Rio, beautiful, lively, and unforgettable. Rio de Janeiro is a city that captivates your heart and soul. From its iconic landmarks to its vibrant culture, there's always something new to discover. So pack your bags and get ready to experience the magic of Rio. Thanks for watching. Join our community of explorers and get inspired for your next adventure. Don't forget to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you never miss out on new travel tips, guides, and hidden gems.